Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about types of trading. We'll explore different types of trading styles and break them down. So let's start. The first type we are exploring is day trading. Imagine this, you are at your computer monitoring the markets closely throughout the trading day. Day traders open and close their positions within the same day, aiming to profit from short term price movements. Day traders rely on technical analysis to make quick decisions. Their focus is on capturing intraday price swings and capitalizing from market volatility. Next is swing trading. This is a mid-term approach. Swing traders hold positions for several days to a few weeks, aiming to catch price moves trend. Within a trend. Swing traders use combination of technical analysis and chart patterns to identify potential entry and exit points. They aim to ride the waves of a trend while avoiding the noise of short-term fluctuations. Third is which I do is positional trading. Imagine setting a sail on a longer journey. Position traders have a more relaxed approach, holding positions for weeks to months or even years. They are less concerned with short term price movements. Position traders often consider little fundamental analysis to identify assets with strong growth potential or value. Some do it with purely looking at charts. They are looking at the bigger picture, focusing on bigger trend and factors like economic trends, industry performance, and company fundamentals. Fourth is scalping. Imagine a butterfly swiftly moving from flower to flower. Scalpers make numerous lightning fast trades within minutes, aiming to profit from small price movements. Scalping requires precision and discipline, as well as tight spreads and quick execution. Scalpers focus on liquid markets and rely on short term indicators to identify opportunities. Last but not least, algorithmic trading, often referred to as algo trading. Picture a robot executing trades for you. Algo traders develop and deploy computer programs that automatically execute trades based on predefined criteria. Algo traders use historical data and complex algorithms to identify patterns and execute trades with incredible speed and accuracy. This type of trading is popular among institutions and professionals. So that's it for today's video. Different trading styles, whether you are a day trader seizing short-term opportunities, a swing trader riding trend waves, a position trader with a bigger vision, a scalper looking for quick gains, or an algo trader leveraging technology. There is a trading style for every preference and risk tolerance.